Hello viewers, again welcome. In this video we are diving into the very beautiful world of XMixCraft, XMix ornament, very beautiful XMixCraft like here. So viewers, today we are diving into something truly beautiful, where the sweetness of sugarcane, the charm of red and white arrangement, and the peace of mindfulness all come together. This isn't just about decorating, it's about feeling the season slowing down and creating movement that bring warmth to your heart and light to your home. Red and white, the timeless colors of Xmas. Red, the color of love, warmth and joy. White, the color of peace, snow and simplicity. Together, we create harmony, a perfect balance of passion and calm. That's what mindful decorating is all about, bringing emotional balance through colors, textures, and intentions. And then there's sugarcane, sweet, rustic, and natural. It reminds us of simple pleasure of nature. And then there's sugarcane, sweet, rustic, and natural. It reminds us of simple pleasure of nature's sweetness and of the purity we sometimes forget in the rush of life. Before you start your craft, take a slow deep breath. Let the air fill your lungs, feel your body relax. Now look at your materials. The red ribbons, the soft white felt and sugar canes, the ornaments, the twinkling fairy lights. Touch each one of the awareness. This is your moment to connect with your creativity, the senses and the spirit of the season. When you work slowly and mindfully, every action becomes mindful, meaningful. Trying a ribbon, gluing a star, or wrapping a sugarcane, you are not just making decor, you are creating peace. Let's create red and white Xmas arrangement. Start with a simple wooden tray or a glass vase. Layer white felt or cotton as a snowy base. Add small pieces of sugarcane or candy canes. Their natural strips add joy and sweetness. Now wave in red ribbons, white flowers and pine cones. Add a few sprigs of greenery, eucalyptus, pine or rosemary. Their scent will fill your space with freshness and calm. Finally, wrap a soft red bow around your arrangement and place a few fairy lights for a warm golden touch. Every part of this design tells a story of warmth, peace and simplicity. Mindful crafting isn't about rushing to finish, it's about enjoying a process. As you decorate, let go of perfection. Focus instead on how it feels. The sound of paper, the scent of sugarcane, the glow of red and white, all of these brings you back to the present moment. When you live and decorate mindfully, you create not only beauty in your home but also calm in your heart. Remember, your energy flows into your creation. A peaceful mind makes peaceful art. A joyful heart makes joyful decor. This is what makes your Xmas special. It carries your presence. Now step back and look at your arrangement. Notice how the red and white balance each other, bold yet serene. Notice how the sugar can bring a touch of sweetness and rustic charm. You have created something that is not just a decoration, it's an experience, a small sanctuary of joy, mindfulness and beauty. So thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for joining us today. So this Xmas, let your Xmas be more than an art. Let it be your peaceful ritual. Create slowly, decorate simply, breathe deeply. The red and white colors will remind you of love, calm, and the sugarcane will remind you to keep life sweet. And your mindful hands will remind you that beauty begins with stillness. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for joining us today. May your home fulfilled with craft, love and prosperity, togetherness and many more you want to have in your life. You achieve that. Thank you. Wishing you a very happy holiday, very happy festival. Have a very nice and glorious day. God bless you all. Take care. bless you. Wishing you a very happy this festival. May your this festival and New Year bring a beautiful smile on your face, on your heart. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Hello viewers, again welcome. In this video we are diving into the very beautiful world of XMixCraft.